back once again into another presentation of learning Hindi. After a very long time I'm making this video, so I'm sorry. Sometime like you need some gap. I think that's what I completed. But I'm back now, right? After the good gap, I'm back. And in this Hindi lesson, I will teach you how to use need in Hindi language, right? There are various levels of this actually, but here I will just introduce you how you can make the sentences in present tense, how you can make sentences in past tense, and how you can make sentences in future tense. So stay tuned, and at the end of this video lesson, there will be an exercise which I want you to do in the comment section below, right? Please do that exercise in the comment section below. And I just want to make an announcement that our Hindi lessons will come every week now. It's scheduled. Hindi lessons are scheduled, so every Monday and every Thursday you'll get Hindi lessons, okay? Every Monday and Thursday in Anil Mohta channel you'll get Hindi lessons. So let's start. Need verb in the present tense. How you can make I need this, I need that, do you need this, do you need that sort of sentences we're gonna learn now. The structure is always you start with a subject, alright? There will be a subject. So subject followed by the co, right? It's to. So something is needed to, required to someone, right? So it's co is required if it's living person. Co. So subject plus co and then plus object if required, right? And then you have to add chahiye. And the chahiye will never ever change. Remember that it will never ever change. Anything can change, but this chahiye will stick it there, right? For example now, subject. Anil ko object. Ek gilas pani, one glass of water. Ek glass pani chahiye. Sunil ko ek premika chahiye, right? And now this is for the name, if it's a name. But what if it's a pronoun? If it's a pronoun, you have to use mujhe or mujhko, tumhe or tumko, aapko, usse or usko. So for that, somewhere will be a link, somewhere I'll put it. Please take a look at that. There are 10 pairs of the Hindi pronouns that looks different actually. There are 20 pronouns, but they are not 20. They are just 10. Like I think you already have the idea that mujhe, mujhko, tumhe, tumko, like usse, usko, unhe, unko. These all means same actually. It's the same. So mujhko ek glass pani chahiye, right? So chahiye, that's what makes the present tense. Like if I want to say, ask him, aapko kya chahiye, right? Aapko kya chahiye? Aapko kya chahiye? और तुमको क्या चाहिए? और तुझे और तुझको are the same. So तुझे क्या चाहिए? That's like intimate case, or like normally to your friends you say. So Mr. Sharma को क्या चाहिए? को क्या चाहिए? Mr. Sharma को Mr. Shetty चाहिए. I'm just kidding. So this is how the sentence has to be structured in the present tense. Now in the past. So in the past and the future you have to be a little bit careful, because the past tense and the future tense, whenever you make in Hindi, then you have to consider the noun and the gender, because noun and the gender, it's singular or plural, and which gender it is, that determines in the sentence. But that's at the last of the sentence, right? So the structure for the past will be again same. Subject, ko, object, chahiye. After that you need to add tha, thi, is like thi, right? And the for the plural masculine. So tha for the singular masculine, thi for the singular feminine, thi for the plural feminine, and the for the plural masculine. Okay? So हमको एक घर, हमको to us एक घर. So घर, one house is a masculine. एक घर चाहिए. So ghar is object. This whole sentence is ruled by the object. So chahiye masculine, chahiye tha, because ghar is masculine. Chahiye tha. Now Anil ko ek premika. So premika is a girl, of course, right? A girlfriend. Premika chahiye thi. Sunil ko ek kitab chahiye thi. हमें कुछ गाड़ियां, some vehicles, some cars, some vehicles, गाड़ियां चाहिए थी, the plural, थी, because कुछ गाड़ियां चाहिए थी, right? So depends what the object is. It's masculine, it's feminine, it's plural feminine or plural masculine. You have to determine those things, right? बच्चों को कुछ पैसे चाहिए थे, चाहिए थे. Now see, पैसे is a masculine, पैसे, some money, right? It's a masculine plural. So चाहिए थे. बच्चों को कुछ पैसे चाहिए थे. So remember था, थी, थी, and थे. These are the four things that you need to know where we use it, right? I already mentioned था for the masculine singular, थी for the singular feminine, थी for the feminine plural, and थे for the masculine plural, and also respectful. Okay, remember that. So that's it for the past tense. And now let's go to the future. So in the future, same structure. Everything will be same, right? Subject, को, object, and then चाहिए. And now the future thing. What makes the future verbs of होना? The be verb in future, होगा. So it will be होगा, होगी, होंगे, होंगी. 4. Okay? होगा. Masculine singular, होगी. Feminine singular, होंगी, होंगी. Feminine plural, and होंगे, masculine plural or respectful. You know that. So let's make a sentence. I will need a book. I will need a book. So book is a feminine first, remember. So मुझे एक किताब चाहिए होगी. Just one book. So होगी, right? Now अनिल को एक किताब चाहिए होगी. Same thing, right? Masculine. अनिल को एक घर चाहिए होगा. So घर is a masculine word, remember that, right? So अनिल को एक घर चाहिए होगा. हमें आज today, आज हमको और हमें कुछ सब्जियां चाहिए होंगी. सब्जियां is a feminine and it's plural. Some vegetables. So आज हमें कुछ सब्जियां चाहिए होंगी. अनिल को कुछ पैसे, masculine plural, चाहिए होंगे. Alright, so this is what you only have to remember is like 4 things: होगा, होगी, होंगी, and होंगे. The 4 things that all matters for the need to make in the future tense, right? So I already discussed about the present, about the past, about the future. Now you're ready to battle in the Hindi language. You can make lots of sentences. I will give you a list of the sentences right after this, and I want you to translate this in the comment section. I will definitely read it, and I will give you the answers of those correct answers. I will give you in the next coming video, and next coming video will also cover the alternate form of the same thing. What you learned today, there is other simple way too. I mean, I won't say simple, but another way too. So you're gonna discover that thing in the next upcoming videos. My name is Anim Moto, and I make Hindi lessons on YouTube. But besides Hindi lessons, I also make travel videos, food videos, cultural videos, anything and many things about India, and also Southeast Asian countries things. So I hope you will love it, and if you want to see some more videos like this and more cool stuff in upcoming videos, please feel free to subscribe now. The button is there. You can also follow my videos on all the social links that is given here, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, and soon in your heart. Bye bye. Feel no hot.